Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good evening to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on your device and know say the one and only Atafa the Press. Well. Me have a piece of attack to drop on you see, but me gonna leave the best for last. Mark Golden come right out and address the puppet them. Yes, man, he come right out and address the puppet them. But before me get into that, hear this. A 34-year-old man accused of having sex with a minor granted bail. A 34-year-old man who was found cohabiting with a 15-year-old girl was granted bail in the sum of $300,000 when he appeared in the St. Catherine Parish Court on Friday. The accused is charged with grievous sexual assault. I want to listen good enough, my wisdom warriors. This man is 34-year-old, 34-year-old, and he was found cohabiting with a 15-year-old girl, and then grant him bail. The way all the shit bag them love money. Then grant him bail for $300,000. The accused is charged with grievous sexual assault, sexual grooming, and having sexual intercourse with a person under 16-year-old. Now listen to this. This is why you see Jamaica can't get better, Yes, man, me have to talk about it. Jamaica can't get better. This man is a 34-year-old man having sex, grievous sexual assault, sexual grooming, and sexual intercourse with a 15-year-old. My wisdom warriors. Yeah? Lord Jesus, me I tell you now. And them grant this a man a bail. So when they grant this a man a bail, when they grant him bail, what do you think him a go do again? You see, so they no learn. You see, so them a court system here is a failure. Them a court system here is a failure. Once they get money, that's it. Once them get money, that's it. There shouldn't be no money. There shouldn't be no money, none at all whatsoever. There shouldn't be no money involved. Because this man do such an act. Wanna see? This man do such an act. Grievous sexual assault, grooming, and the man even go and have intercourse with the 15-year-old. And the court system decide to grant the man bail for money. Grant the man bail, This is why Jamaica cannot get better. This is why you see a lot of our children going missing and getting hurt. When I understand what I try to show you. Because if somebody do such a thing, why would you give them bail? Why would you grant them bail? I don't understand. When people do things like that, you do not grant them bail. Why? Why you grant them bail? Me not understand. This is why me say the court system is a failure. The court system is a failure, my wisdom warrior. Because a big man this. Big man. And she's a 15-year-old little girl. And look what the man do with the little girl. And then grant him bail. Then grant him bail for let him go. For go do more. For go text it. For other people pitney. Jah know, God know. Sometimes me wonder if them alright. My wisdom warriors, when I see it, I have to come make you know what going on, Because them couldn't, it come like them sick in their head. I said them love money, sir. $300,000. Really? Look what the man do. 3 type of things the man do to the little girl. And then grant him bail. Me I tell about the court system, man. It's just, boy, Jah know. Me no know. All of them something you need for change. You see, all of them something it need for change. You need for review. It need for review, my wisdom warriors. Them act need to review. It need to review. Too much is going on. Too much. This man do such a thing to this little girl and wanna give him bail. Me I tell you, really a back a class on there. God know, really back a class. You don't care about Jamaican people. Uno court system do not care about the Jamaican people. Especially young pitney. We don't really not care about them. And it's just the truth. Because we see it over and over and over. Somebody can go out and do such thing to a child and want to give him bail. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about it. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. I know, sir, when I wait for the attack claps, you know, when I think me down, no? Yes, me know. Hey. Me say my wisdom warriors, Mark Golden run right out. Yes, I adjust the puppet them and make them know, say, here what? Take in this. I am a born Jamaican and have a Jamaican passport. On a year where Mark Golden say, he said, I am a born Jamaican and have a Jamaican passport. I've never hidden the fact that my father, who came to Jamaica from the UK, had got me a British passport when I was a young child. From before first serving in government, I travel on my Jamaican passport when I go abroad. Like other Jamaicans, I apply for visas from countries such as the US and UK to go there. Want to hear what the man say? He said, like other Jamaicans, the man say he traveled on his Jamaican passport when he go abroad. And he apply. I want to listen good, you know. Yeah, come know so enough of the labor right them over here. I apply for visas from countries such as the US and UK to go there. Listen, I'm on Banya. But the local government elections and recent polls seem to be driving some to grasp at straws. Want to hear that? Lord Jesus, yes, Mark Golden. Now, back to the issue of constitutional reform. Want to hear what Mark Golden said? No, back to the issue of constitutional reform. Want to know why I said this? Because all of this about Mark Golden is a distraction, my wisdom warriors. I don't know if I read between the lines. It is a distraction. Because meanwhile, them out here, yeah? Meanwhile, them out here doing a racist ranking all over social media. They're behind the scenes playing and messing about with the Constitution. You hear me? Marlene Malahu, she came out the other day and she said she's going to publish the report. She's going to publish the CRC report. And that she say, no. She said she going to publish the constitutional reform report. And all know what are they hiding? So while them out here a kick up a fuss, they are behind closed door because they put a restriction, you know, my viewers and subscribers. They put a restriction upon the CRC. You get me? And it need to be published. Marlene Malahu came out other day and boss and run off her mouth. Oh, she gonna publish it. It came out in the article. She come out on public platform and she said she's going to publish it. How much days now? About 4 days now, 5 days now. All know she can't publish nothing. We are wait for Wappy kill Philip. All no, we can't say nothing. Anyway, let me continue. So, Mark Golden say, now back to the issue of constitutional reform. Jamaica is in the Commonwealth. And our current constitution requires Commonwealth citizenship. So the man break it down for them, you know, my wisdom warriors. Because see all of this, all of these things, they all know about it. Juliet Cuthbert Fling, Daryl Vaz, the whole of them will come out and I have a fix and seizures over Mark Golden citizenship. They all know about this. You understand? They all know about it. So it is just a distraction because they're behind closed door messing about with the constitutional reform. And that them I do. Jamaican people, we need to focus more upon the constitutional reform. These people are a set of Jezebel. These people don't mean well for us. Please, I hope you now listen to me. I want you guys to share this video. I want you to share it to your brothers, to your sisters. I want the world to see this video. I want the world hear this video. Because the whole of them, politicians, the whole of them come out and being racist, prejudice against Mark Golden. This is unacceptable. You see, when somebody do things like that, they're supposed to get fired. They're supposed to resign. Juliet Cuthbert Fling should be resign. Shouldn't resign. They have to fire her. The whole of them where you see come out, all Daryl Vaz. Me don't know what him bother come out and open him mouth for because him not have a good record. So I don't know why him even bother come out and he knows that his record dirty and staying up. I just don't understand it. Some people come out and they know that their record dirty and nasty, but yet them feel like they can come out and run off them mouth. Daryl Vaz, let me tell you something, Papa. You need to go one side. You need to go one side because your record history is staying right up. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let me get into this. So Mark Golding said Jamaica is in the Commonwealth and our current constitution requires Commonwealth citizenship and at least 1 year's resident in Jamaica in order to be eligible to be a parliamentarian. Over the years, parliamentary candidates with Commonwealth passports have therefore legitimately participated in general elections to become MPs and sat in the Senate. On the other hand, the current constitution prohibits non-Commonwealth citizens who have pledged foreign allegiance from being parliamentarians. Want to hear that, my viewers and subscribers? The constitutional reform process should reconsider the current role and make it accord with the realities of the Jamaican experience. So now hear what Mark Golding say. So when you see all these little educated fools, me have to laugh at them, me have to laugh at a bad mind, jealous, Jezebel. Me have to laugh at them. Witches, warlock and witches. Yes, me have to laugh at them, my wisdom warriors. Because while they out here distracting the people, they are behind closed door messing about with the CRC. Wanna hear what me say? They are behind closed door messing about the CRC. This CRC is important in each Jamaican lives. It is very, very important. This is not a joke thing. And you always want to be president and run Jamaica. And that him want. Him want choose. Him want to is me telling you already. Either him want to be a president or him let his wife be a president and he remain as a prime minister. Because that's what he said. He said he want to be a prime minister for the next 20 years. He come out and he said, oh, time out. You understand me? So, Andrew Holness is only looking out for himself. So he want on Jamaica in this family affair. So him and his wife, and then when him get older, then him pass it on to him picnic them. And that him depend. We not depend that. Wanna hear me? We are not on that. So guess what now? We're going to keep focus on the constitutional reform. Marlene Malahoo, you need to come out and publish it. You promise. We know the promise is a comfort to a fool. But we want to see it. We have all rights to see it. What are you guys hiding? What are you hiding? And sending the whole out, send out girl and send out boy. If you can't distract the people them. And true they know most of the Jamaican people, well, let me not say most. Some of the Jamaican people them don't have any understanding. They don't have any wisdom. They don't have any knowledge. They know so them just go take what them say. You understand? But if they were reading, they would have more understanding. You get me? So, Marlene Malahoo, you need to publish the report. We want to see what in there. We want to see what in there. The only thing we see was the one that Mark Golding posts, the recommendation that he recommend to the report. Prior to the report, we're going to show them, but we can't see it. So we only see the opinion of the PNP side, but we don't see the report. So we have all right. So the time when I come out, Marlene Malahoo, Andrew Holness even came out and talking about misinformation when Andrew Holness know he's the one giving misinformation. Andrew Holness know this. Them a set a liar and all of them for go to prison. So Integrity Commission, me want to hurry up there because we want to know who is the sixth thief. We want the sixth thief to be known. You understand me? Yes, we want it to be known. We want it to be known. My viewers and subscribers, them people are always up to something. You hear me? Them people are always up to something. Andrew Holness administration. Them always up to something. Yeah. them always up to something. This is why the Integrity Commission came out and make them know, say, them not afraid of them. Not time, not all. They know that. You understand? Andrew Honest do not like transparency. So Andrew Honest want we to make him choose the president. Him not even sign the code of conduct. Him himself talk about good governance. Him himself talk about good governance, my wisdom warriors. Signing the code of conduct. That is a good governance. So how comes Andrew Honest and nine cronies them never sign it? Wanna look into things. Wanna look into things. Jamaican people fix up. True Jamaicans fix up. Labor right. Take out the die-hearted from out our heart. This is about our lives. Andrew Honest do not care. A lot of people right now don't even have water. Only thing we forget about the water. The people them are suffer same way. The people them are Westmoreland and Hanover them not have no water. Them need water. I sell the people them water. Yes man. I sell the people them water. The people they not have no water. No water in Westmoreland. No water. You understand? And then you come out on platform talking about Mark Golden British book. Talking about Mark Golden British book? Seriously, who really jealous around here? I have to I must Andrew Honest jealous. Him definitely jealous because him want to keep the Privy Council. Him jealous. Seriously. Some people come out and chat shit. Seriously. And it is just so annoying. Like, it is so annoying. You need to get acts together. Jamaican people, fix up. Brush off on yourself. Start to keep focus. Keep focus because Andrew Honest is about to take Jamaica down. Look how much land Andrew Honest a thief and the people them. You don't see that? My wisdom warriors, I rest my case. You tell me what you think. You tell me how you feel about this. And tell me what you think about what Mark Golden say. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. I want to follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.